In this video, I will show you how to cut the wire and also how to easily, without fuss, strip the insulation off the wire. So here we have the typical size of wire that we'll be using in class. I'm not sure of the designation, if it's American wire gauge AWG number 16 or something, but anyway, it doesn't really matter too much because we have wire strippers and cutters which will do the job anyway, regardless of what type of wire we have. Now, traditionally, people might think that using scissors to cut wire is a good idea, and yes, it does work, but if you cut the wire with the scissors, there's a chance you may damage the blade of your scissors, and in which case, when you try and use the scissors for other jobs in the future, you find there's a kink involved and you don't get a smooth cut. So try and avoid the scissors if you can. Now, for cutting, we can use this tool here or this tool here. This one's more expensive than this one over here, but actually this one's easy to use. So first of all, for cutting, we just use this part over here in the middle, and we can just cut off a piece of wire to show you. There. We can also use this one over here, and the cutting edge is this part of this tool here. So let's cut off another piece. There. So that's cutting, but now the more important part is of stripping the insulation layer off the metal part so we can make connections. So first of all, here with this tool here, now you can see that we have different sizes of holes, so that way when we do use this tool, we can cut off the insulation, but we don't really know what size of wire this is. So if in doubt, always start with a bigger hole, and you can see it doesn't catch. So try a smaller hole, doesn't catch, and eventually you'll find you get to this point here, the 1.0 size, and you'll find it'll catch, and therefore we can cut we'll strip the insulation off wire, and then just a matter of pulling it. And there it is. And after you've done that, it's a good idea to twist the thread, and that way it makes a better bond for using a glue gun or solder to connect with other components, including other bits of wire. Now let's show you this piece over here. So again, I'll cut this off. There we go. Try again. And now this time, I'm going to use this end of this tool. And if it doesn't quite work out, you just turn the dial here to adjust it, and so that it does catch. And when I normally do this kind of thing, I give myself about maybe 1.5 centimeters of exposed thread. And so the cutting point is in the middle there, where the two blades meet. And now I will press on the lever, and I can get all the way down, doesn't matter. And you can see it rips off this, and it does pull the rest off like that. And again, twist to make the thread stronger. And that's it. That's cutting and stripping the wire.